Good morning, South Africa. This is the Daily News Wrap for Tuesday, the 6th of July, 2021. My name is Lisa Grayson.
This podcast is kindly sponsored by Bluegrass Digital. Bluegrass Digital, a leader in building digital solutions for your business in Africa. Find out more at bluegrassdigital.com.
In our top story, the Zondo Commission has opposed former President Jacob Zuma's application for a stay of evacuation of the order that was meant for his arrest that will be heard in the Pietermaritzburg High Court today. If Zuma flops this one, he will need to carry out the court order and actually go to prison. The former president applied for a stay of execution of a constitutional court ruling that ordered Minister of Police Becky Cele and Minister of Justice and Correctional Services Ronald Lamola to take necessary legal steps to ensure he commences his sentence within 5 days of the ruling. Zondo Commission Secretary Itumeleng Mosala said in court papers filed in the Pietermaritzburg High Court on Monday that the commission opposed Jacob Zuma's application for an interdict to prevent his arrest for the following reasons. First of all, the court lacks the jurisdiction to entertain such a case. The applicant has failed to satisfy the test of rescission both under Rule 42 of the Uniform Rules of the Court as well as under the common law. He said that understanding the context of its full factual history, it reveals that the application that is a continuation of the pattern of abuse by the applicant of the court process and that courts should not entertain such abuse any longer. And finally, he said the applicant does not satisfy the requirements for an interim interdict. Mosala argued in court papers saying the applicant was given ample opportunity to persuade the Constitutional Court not to hold him in contempt of court, not to order a sanction of imprisonment, and to impose a lesser period of imprisonment to him. Does this mean Zuma will have to go to prison either way, even with July 12 on the line? Stick around to find out on the SouthAfrican.com. Meanwhile, civil rights organization AfriForum will be joining former President Jacob Zuma's Constitutional Court application as a friend of the court. The organization announced on Sunday that it had instructed its legal team to prepare papers to join Jacob Zuma application, which has been set down to be heard on 12 July. AfriForum said in a statement that the organization had joined the application as a friend of the court in order to demonstrate that the special treatment Mr. Zuma is currently receiving by the court is a violation of the principle that everyone should be treated as equal before the law. According to AfriForum, Zuma's application to have his verdict of guilt set aside does not comply with Rule 42 of the Uniform Court Rules. The organization said that it was particularly strange that the Constitutional Court had agreed to hear the case in the first place. And if that's not enough, Prime Minister to the Zulu royal family, Prince Mangosuthu Buthelezi, has bemoaned the recent events at Nkandla. Former President Jacob Zuma's supporters have warned that hell will break loose if he does in fact get taken to prison, while Prince Mangosuthu has not taken so kindly such sentiments. The prince has cited a number of examples, including from his own family, where embattled leaders opted to face the consequences of their actions as opposed to Zuma's countless delaying tactics. He made reference to King Dinuzulu, who led the Zulu nation from 1888 and was found guilty of treason in 1989 and subsequently exiled. Things seem to be moving faster than we expected. But what do you think about all of this? Let us know in the comments down below. Just a quick reminder, Becky Cele now has less than 48 hours to make sure that Zuma does in fact get sent to prison in response to the Constitutional Court's ruling. What do you think of all of this? Let us know in the comments down below. Lisa Grayson, the South African.
This podcast is kindly sponsored by Bluegrass Digital. Bluegrass Digital, a leader in building digital solutions for your business in Africa. Find out more at bluegrassdigital.com.